This is my morning hike with going out geocaching this morning. So left the house, it was nice and dry and cool, and went over to the little pocket park and found the trail that we usually ride horses to the stables on. It's such a nice, peaceful ride. Saw some buttercups along the way. I noticed that the trail had been filled in, potholes are filled, so it's nice and wide and smooth, no potholes. Went by the bridge. This is where we go down with our horses to cross Cypress Creek. There's this nice big open area here with a lot of nice trees. Spacious. Fork in the road, take it. So I took a new trail today. Very nice. And nobody was out in the park this morning. So this is where I came off the trail onto the road. There's no cars here, but. And then I had to go find a geocache. And this is where I left it. And then started heading back and noticed this again. So it was pretty nice that this road has been fixed, that is behind Calgary. And then it started raining, so I just booked it home. And you can see the driveway is nice and wet, so my feet get all wet. It's a fun walk. Enjoy these Sunday morning walks. Good time. I just wish Relive actually had a voiceover. Bye.